Everybody, Tom's here. I'm gonna make this video pretty quick because I'm freezing my butt off out here. It's about 24 degrees. I got no gloves on. But what we're doing is we've got to remove these windshield wipers, the arms and everything, the whole assembly. Right here, you've got a little cap that goes over top of here. And you got a 14 millimeter nut here. And you take that out. We're gonna take these out because the motor inside here, the motor's working, but the arm that connects the two washers or windshield wipers together is not, oh, that was just ice, not the window. The motor that's going, connecting the to the rod there and everything, something has come off, so we're gonna look in there and find out. Now, here they say you need a puller, and I've seen other people use not a puller, so I'm gonna see what tools I can get, maybe like a little pry bar there, see if we can pry that off without using a puller. Stand by. Okay, so now I at least have one glove on my hand, the other one off. Everyone should have just a regular old wrench sitting around. If you press down here, it allows this end to pop up a little bit. Hopefully you can see that in there. So press down there, kind of pry that underneath there. Which should pop off. Yep, there we go. It was moving on me a second ago. So I'm like, yep, this will work. There we go. All right, so now, to do the same thing on the other side, and I'll try to zoom in here for you so you can see what I'm doing. Try to keep this as short and to the point as possible. I already loosened that up. Ooh, it's cold out here today. Alright. It's a little bit harder to get to on this side. First things first, again, be very careful around your window and stuff like that. All you're trying to do is just pry it off just a little bit. There you go. Alright, I've already removed the screw that's here. This is a Phillips head screw. I gotta get all this junk off of here so we can actually see what's on the inside. Okay, now let's see if we pop this piece off. There's like a rubber gasket that runs down it, so we're pulling this up. All right. Okay, it seems like it's just kind of popping up. Good so far. Gonna go on the other side. Well, that part ripped off, but she is an older vehicle. All right, we are nearly there. There's something else holding it over there. Okay, that side's fully detached. Back on this side. Never done this before. Let's see. Okay. Something right here in the middle that's holding it. All right, now I need to close the hood a little bit. I think closing the hood was a good idea. Maybe. Maybe not. Hood. It is so cold out here. I just got back from Mississippi up here to Wisconsin, and me tell you, 80 degrees, 24 degrees is a high. Yeah, that's fun. Okay. Have to put that back on. 2 Phillips head screws. I've never seen this before, so it's a first. All right. Open sesame. Always good to have a good screw around, so I should be able to pry this up. Okay, so you can hear it. Now, getting a video of this will be hard to see, but you're gonna have to trust me. Inside there, the shaft has fallen off. And the problem is, my arm is too dang big to get up in that little hole. So I see the nut washer and I see the arm assembly in there. I'm gonna have to remove the motor for the windshield wipers on the inside of the engine bay and hopefully finagle something onto there. I don't know how in the heck you can get your hand in there onto that little nut. Yeah, this will be fun. The game plan is to remove the 4 screws on that, take that motor down, and see if I can then use my hand to get in there and do something. Otherwise, I gotta go through that hole there, which my arm is literally larger than. So, yeah, it's made in Japan. I'm a big dude. Okay, so I've got that removed. As you can see, nothing is on there. You can also see inside there. Let's see if I can get a light on. The nut and washer down there. The assembly's there. And I have yet to figure out how in the heck I'm going to do this. Yeah. This is going to be a pain in the ass. There is hope. So there's actually enough room where I can hold that right there so I can get that nut on there, and there's enough articulation in there because I can just pull this back and forth. I actually can probably do this. Okay, so I've got the lock washer and the nut on there. Now all I gotta do is get my wrench here and tighten her down as best I can. So we'll see. I think that'll work. I've got just enough room. Then I'll reverse everything, put her back together, and see if I can actually get some windshield wipers that will get the snow and ice off the windows. All right, so I got it on there, and I used a little bit of thread locker as well. We'll see if that holds. That nut on the back there is a 15mm, just for information. So let's go ahead and put everything back together and hope and pray she holds and we can use the windshield wipers. Okay, now for the test. Oh yeah. I have windshield wipers. They might be going a bit too low. So I think I gotta adjust them a little bit, but nonetheless, I have windshield wipers. Fantastico. Well, I hope that was helpful. Like I said, whenever they first go on, they go down before they go up. I don't know if that's a big deal or not. I don't remember if they used to do that beforehand. Anyways, again, hope you found this video helpful. I'm just very happy to go inside now because I am freezing. It is now 18 degrees out here, so it has been falling like a rock. But again, if you like this, please like, subscribe, check out the channel. We do some work on my Dodge truck, stuff like that, and we also do work on our other Dodge truck, the 5.9 liter, and anything around the farm, especially sawmills, tractors, and such like that. All right, we'll see you around. Thanks.